Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add the payments method in Mart app. First of all, you need of course to go and download it in the App Store, go and click on search and click on Mart app and download it. If you didn't find this, you probably don't have it in your region. To check, you can go and open as example Safari or any other browser, type Mart app and you'll find this here as example App Store. Click on it. If they'll take you to the App Store, find this app currently not available in your country in the region, that means you will not be able to download it. So for the other persons or the other people that can download it, it's going to be very easy. So as an example, since for me, I cannot have access to the app, I just here open as an example an image in Google. And all you need to do, just go and click on your profile. As you can see at the bottom right corner, you'll find the Me button. Go and click on that. Once you click on it, they'll tell you as an example or take you to your basically account. So you can find wallets or payments method. Go and click on it and you'll find the add payments method option. So once you go there, basically, you'll be able to just add your payments method. You can choose your preferred method, whether it's a credit or debit card, PayPal, Apple, or Google Pay. And you'll have, of course, to enter the required details. So you'll have to enter, if it's a card, you'll have to enter the number, expiry, CVV. If it's a PayPal, they will ask you to log in into your PayPal account right away. Some method will require some verification via the OTP or app confirmation. Once verified, your app method will be saved. So after that, make sure that your card or PayPal has enough balance. Remove any old cards if you don't use them, and keep payments info private and secure. And of course, if you are on your PC, as you can see, you'll find 3 payments methods to add. You'll find an example PayPal, credit card, or even Alipay. So as you can see, you have here Google Pay, and also if you're using Mac, you'll find Apple Pay, and you have even this Alipay. I don't know what that is. It's just an example. I don't know, some partner. You can use it if you want. So we have PayPal, credit card, and stuff. As you can see, if you'll choose PayPal, you'll have to connect it to your account. The same, I guess, or I think it will be for Alipay. And your credit card, you will have to enter basically your info. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.